Most people mix these up, router, modem, access point, and think they're all the same thing. But once you actually understand what each one does, setting up your Wi-Fi becomes way easier. Let's start with the modem. Think of it as the translator. It connects your home to the internet provider. It takes the signal from your ISP through a phone line, fibre or cable and converts it into data your home devices can understand. Next is the router, the traffic director. It decides where every bit of data should go, your phone, laptop or smart TV. The router also creates your Wi-Fi network so your devices can talk to each other wirelessly. And finally, the access point. This one simply extends your network. If your Wi-Fi doesn't reach certain rooms, an access point gives you a stronger signal by connecting back to the router through a cable. Modem equals connects you to the internet. Router equals manages your home network. Access point equals expands your Wi-Fi range. Get these three right and your internet setup will finally make sense. Subscribe for more easy tech explainers.